What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. In this video, I want to break down more information on how you can actually generate paid traffic for affiliate marketing. Okay, if you're promoting a product online right now and you want to drive traffic or visitors, people to that sales page, we need traffic, we need eyeballs. Now, if you have a little bit of extra money, I'm going to share with you more information on how you can actually pay to send traffic very easily and quickly to a sales page. Now, the traffic we're going to cover in this video is one that I covered inside of this video here. Okay, I posted it some months back. Okay, it got quite a bit of interest. Okay, I broke down how to use solo ads. Okay, which if you don't know what a solo ad is basically where you pay someone who has an email list of potential customers. You pay that person and they will send an email to their email list, sending the link in the email to whatever affiliate offer or website that you want. Okay. Now, in this training, I broke down exactly how solo ads work and a little bit of information on how to actually find vendors. But what I want to do in this video is break down more information on how to actually find the right people to purchase solo ads from and how to drive traffic to your affiliate offers very, very easily. Now, if you want more information though on what solo ads are and all that stuff, I'm going to include a link below this video where you can actually click and watch that first video, okay, that goes, in depth. But what you want to understand is if you go to Facebook, okay, there's really two main places that I go to purchase solo ads. And solo ads are great in a lot of different niches, okay, health and fitness, dating, make money online, okay. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down my top two places. Now, the first place, okay, is Facebook. A lot of people don't realize, but you can go to Facebook and join Facebook groups that are full of solo ad vendors. These are people that, again, have email list of email addresses in whatever niche that you want, okay? So, for example, if you're promoting a offer to help people make money online, I know a lot of people who watch my YouTube videos are in the make money online niche. Well, you can actually go to Facebook, join these groups that I'm going to share with you right now, and you can actually find good vendors using the criteria that I'm going to share with you. So if you type in solo ads inside of the top search bar in Facebook, and you go to groups, okay, you filter by groups, these top ones right here are some of my favorite. Okay, one of them is called Solo Ads Testimonials. It has over 41,000 members. And then Solo Ads Sales Testimonials. This one has 24,000 members. Okay, and you can join both of these. Okay, now I'm inside the groups right here, and these are what they look like. Okay, now the beautiful thing about these Facebook groups is this is where you can actually find some are lesser known vendors. Okay, the second source I'm going to share with you is my favorite source, but sometimes some of those vendors you have to wait, a week before they'll run your solo ad when you purchase it, okay, because they're very busy. So this is a good way with Facebook groups to find vendors that aren't as popular. So if you go in here, what you want to realize is that people will actually be posting their results that they got, okay, their testimonials from the vendor that they purchased from, okay. So Albert right here, you can see that he had a seller, okay, so he bought from someone. Let me zoom out real quick, okay, so you can see this. He bought from Charming Yi, okay, that's the seller name. The type was solo ad clicks, okay, sometimes it's different. Mix clicks. This isn't as good in my opinion because you're not getting 100% solo ad clicks, like clicks from an email. So I typically look for the type of solo ad clicks. They ordered 1,000 clicks. They received 1,012 clicks, so they actually purchased and got more than they purchased, which is something you want to look for. It's a good benefit. And they got 413 subscribers, okay, and 5 sales. So then some people put in comments, I got at least 40 to 42% opt-in rate with an average of 5 sales. Okay, so this is a testimonial for this person. Now, if you like their results, okay, so maybe you think, wow, like they got a good opt-in rate, a good percentage of people went to their capture page, went to their website and put their email in, okay, which is what you want to realize is a good thing to do when you actually promote using solo ads. It's a good idea to send that traffic to a capture page, which is a website like this, for example. Okay, if I go to, okay, here, this is an example of a capture page. Okay, so when they click here, they put their email address in. Now, I recommend typically you send solo ad traffic to a capture page so you can capture the person's email address and follow up through email marketing rather than just sending them right to an affiliate sales page. Now, if I go here, okay, this person, again, they got a good opt-in rate. Now we can go down more. Okay, this person, mixed clicks, like I said, typically I look for just solo ad clicks. Okay, like this. Seller, Hafsha Hosan, clicks ordered. Okay, so this AJ guy right here, he ordered 200 clicks. That means he paid, okay, money to get 200 people clicking the link in that solo ad email. He received 230 clicks. Okay, so that's 30 more clicks than he paid for. The opt-in rate was 60%, okay, which is really good. Anything above 40% is very, very good with solo ad traffic. Tier 1, sometimes the person will put in, if it's top tier or tier 1 traffic, this is very good, okay, because this means that the traffic is coming from countries that are top tier, okay? People have money there. People can invest in different products. And then sales, yes, okay, so they made a sale. So in a nutshell, what I personally look for on Facebook groups is vendors and testimonials that are solo ad clicks, have a good opt-in rate. Okay, the person reported that they had a good opt-in rate, that there's 90% or higher tier 1 or top tier traffic, and the person got sales. Because again, you want to buy from vendors that are getting other people's sales, because if you promote an affiliate product with that same vendor, chances are you're also going to get sales. So this person right here, this Hafsha Hosan, if I wanted to purchase from them, let's say you see a testimonial, you like that vendor, you think, wow, this person would probably be someone that I would want to buy from. All you have to do is just message this person, okay? And just say, hey, I saw a testimonial about you, about your solo ads. I'd love to purchase a test run. What are your prices? And then you can try to negotiate a little bit, or you can just purchase how many prices, their typical price. They may send you to a website where you can purchase it there. What do you want to purchase, right? How much? Now, I'm going to cover this a little bit more in a second, but I recommend, anywhere from 100 to 300 clicks when you first purchase from someone. You want to buy enough clicks where you can tell if it actually worked. If you just, purchase 50 clicks, which usually you can't even purchase that low, they won't let you. But that's not really enough to, know if that person is going to work for the affiliate offer. So if you get 100 to 300 clicks, that's enough to really be able to tell what the results are going to be like. But you don't want to purchase, 1,000 clicks without knowing if that vendor is going to work. So that's a good guideline. So I would join these Facebook groups. Okay, here's another one, same thing. And I would just start to look and create a list of vendors that you think are good, okay? They're getting people results, and then I would message them and go with a few, okay? Test a few of them if you have a budget to see which one's giving you the best results. Now, my favorite place to go for solo ads is called Udemy, okay? Udemy.com. Now, the way this works is you create a free account, and then you can just go to find sellers at the top. When you go to find sellers, you can actually filter, okay, by this criteria. They have criteria at the top. You can go to what is the max amount of cost per click that you want to pay for, okay, and this will filter out people. This one right here is very important. I always put in, what percent of people that bought from that vendor reported sales. So the higher percent, the better likelihood that you're going to actually be able to make sales when you purchase from that same vendor. So anything above, 30% is really good. You can put in 40%, you can put in all the way up to 50%, but that's going to be a lot fewer sellers. Okay. So with this criteria, and I even often will do ratings. Okay. So above, 300 or 400 plus positive ratings. So that means that, that's how many people rated this person as a positive. So this is a good criteria. And then you can look through these sellers. Okay. Now these are different people and they have the price. Okay. So this is 69 cents a click, 79 cents a click. And you can see right here, 50%, okay, of people reported making sales with him. Okay. So you would open up one of the sellers. And if you wanted to purchase, it's slightly different than Facebook. Now you can message these people and ask them questions, about the quality of traffic. But if you like the stats, I would still go down to the bottom and you want to make sure that recently, okay, at least about 3 people reported getting sales. So Leonard, okay, I got a sale already. Okay, so this person at the time of recording 2 days ago, he got a sale. Great seller will purchase again. They said they got a sale. Okay, and then you can show more ratings. And again, I would just look for 3 people within the past month or so has reported getting sales. And again, okay, got sales and 2 sales. Okay, so this person is someone that I would potentially buy from. They have great positive ratings. 50% of people that bought from him are reporting sales, and 3 people in the last month have gotten sales. Okay, so this is a great person. Now, if you want to purchase from them, what you do with Udemy is you choose how many visitors. Again, 100 to 300 is good for just starting. You put in the title. Okay, this is the title that you want them to use when they send the email. You put in the body of the email. Okay, this is the actual email that they're going to send. Now, some vendors will tweak the email and they won't send it exactly how you write it. So keep that in mind. It's not 100% necessary. They will ensure that you get however many clicks that you pay for. So you don't have to kill yourself with coming up with good copy. Even some affiliate programs will give you email swipe in the resource section of that affiliate page. And you can actually just take one of those emails and use it as your solo ad right here, okay? And then you just highlight wherever you want the link to go. You'd click this little paperclip, and then you would put in your affiliate link or your capture page link. And again, I recommend you use a capture page link because not everyone's going to buy instantly, and you can capture that person's email address and then follow up through emails. So this is really how you do it with Udemy. And again, the price will be here, okay? The total. So this is going to change, as you adjust it. You can also, with Udemy, do only mobile. If you have a mobile only affiliate offer, you can do, only top tier. If you only want from those top tier countries, it's going to add a little bit of money though, but it can be worth it. Okay. And then you would just hit add to cart. And then you would basically pay with, if you have a balance, or you can pay with PayPal or a credit card, and you would start to have that solo ad be run. Okay, so these are my 2 main sources. I wanted to go a little bit more in detail on that video that I did earlier. If you got value and you don't want to miss out on my latest paid ad training and affiliate marketing training, be sure to subscribe. But what I want to also share before you go is if you're someone that doesn't have a capture page, maybe you don't have a funnel, and you just want to learn how to actually make consistent sales with a high converting funnel, there's going to be a link directly below this video. You can click and access a free training sharing exactly how to get access to my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program to actually promote, and how to access a totally free done for you funnel that you can start using with solo ads to get as much as $2,000 per commission instantly paid. It's absolutely incredible, and I want to include that resource for you for sticking around to the end of this video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.